Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but we're here today banging out some videos for you guys. Today is actually a bit of a full circle moment for the channel. If you guys have been with me since the beginning or seen any of my recent videos, you guys know I'm always uploading something fun, you know, a little bit extra, doing something cool to the truck. But today we are installing yeah, you read that right. A baby car camera in the truck. That's right, your boy is all grown up now, got himself a couple of kids, and so now it's time to add some practical features to the truck, to my truck specifically, but obviously this will apply to any type of vehicle that you have. It's not in any way specific to Ford or to trucks at all. This will work on any car, truck, SUV. I'm gonna walk you guys through the one that was sent to me to make a review video for you guys, give you guys my honest opinions about it, show you guys how easy it is to set up and install. Honestly, the whole thing takes about 3 or 4 minutes. I've already tested it. Now I'm gonna walk you guys through it. Well, let's get started.
It's time to get to work. Get to work, boys.
So we have laid out everything that comes in the box. Everything will be included inside of here. Once you open this bad boy up, you will have your smaller box, your larger box, as well as your instruction manual. One thing I really do like about this instruction manual is that they include pictures. I make instructional videos all the time on this channel, so when I see something that is not only well detailed as far as how to install, but when they include pictures as well, I get really excited. Huge fan of people who include really good detailed instructions. But everything that comes in these boxes, you will have the camera itself. This is what the camera looks like. This little ball on the back right here plugs into right here. This is the strap part that will actually wrap around like the headrest of your seat, pointing where you want the camera to face. You've got your power cable, which plugs into your cigarette lighter. This is the power cable that will run all the way back to the screen portion itself. Inside the smaller box that I mentioned earlier is actually the screen. So now that you guys have seen everything that comes in the box and a little bit of details about that, I'll show you guys how to install it. Like I said already, very plug and play, very easy to do. Should only take a couple minutes. All right, we're in the truck now. By the way, this camera is going to be replacing the mirror that I had been using for the car seat. These things work fine, but as you guys know, at night, they don't, you know, it doesn't do much good for you. And also, if you're trying to get a good view of what's in this mirror, but you're looking in your review mirror, you've got the road rattle that can happen and can distort, you know, it, and then you're also bouncing it off of another mirror, which can be rattling and distorting it. So sometimes it can be hard to see if, you know, the kids' eyes are closed or if they're sleeping or what exactly is going on. So that's a good reason why we're replacing this. The night vision is obviously going to help out a lot too. So you're going to want to take your camera strap. I took the headrest completely out just to make it super easy, but it's all Velcro. One goes over the top, one goes over the bottom. They Velcro together. This little circular knob right here is where the camera is going to go into. Here's the camera that we looked at earlier. On the back, it's got this little knob. This will allow you not just to go in, but to, you know, adjust it once it's in there. So I'm gonna snap this guy in place. I'll show you what it looks like when it's actually hooked up. All right, so here's what it looks like all hooked up. As I mentioned earlier, you can kind of adjust this thing around to get a good view of what you're needing to look at. Definitely want to take the little protective tag off so you don't get all blurry and whatnot, but I chose to run the power cable underneath and behind, so you know, whoever's sitting back here can't be touching it. I'm gonna run the wire over here. Sorry, I'll pull it out here. It's all tucked in behind here. It's all hidden, so it doesn't look, you know, trashy or whatever. I'm gonna clean this up, but it's gonna run underneath this board, underneath this floor mat rather. I'll show you where it comes up on the front side, but this is how you hook everything up back here, and now I'll show you guys the screen and plugging in the power and everything up there. All right, so we ran the power cable in between the seat and the center console. Coming up here, this is the power cable for the screen. Orange goes to orange, pretty hard to mess up. There's a bunch of different ways that you could, you know, run this wiring, but I'm just letting it all hang out for right now. But as you can see, that is what the camera view looks like. Let's see if I can hold this and turn around. Hello. Don't know if you guys can see me there or not, but this is how it looks. There's a suction cup mount. Obviously you guys can hang this any way you want. You could put it on the dash, you could put it over here. I like this in easy, you know, full face view. I should also mention, sorry, getting back to the power cable real quick. It runs down and it plugs into your cigarette lighter over here. You can press this in and out to turn it on and off. There is also an on and off switch on the back of this screen as well. And there are dimmer buttons as well. So you can go, you can make it darker, or you can crank the brightness all the way up as much as you would like. It's a very clear picture. Hoping that this camera does it justice, but it is a very clear picture. It's also a very wide angle thing as well. I was worried that it might be too like isolated and too close, but it's actually a very wide picture. I'm looking at it right now, and I can not only see the baby seat, but I can also see all the way up over into like the passenger side as well. So I'll bet if I angled this correctly that I could probably see not just this one, but if I had two little passengers in the passenger seat, that I could see both as well. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, very simple, very straightforward, just super plug and play. Anybody should be able to knock this out in no time at all. I also do want to point out as well, one thing that I appreciated about this camera in particular is some of the rear facing, like, you know, cameras that you see on the market will have like a blinking red light or something like that when it signifies that it's on, or, you know, it's sending video to the screen. There is no blinking red light on this, so if your kid is, you know, super sensitive to lights or, you know, something like that, you don't have to worry about that at all. But thank you very much to, the company's name is NewHail, for sending this out to me. This is absolutely going to be something that I'm going to be not only keeping in my truck, but I'm going to throw one of these in my wife's vehicle as well for both of our kids and our growing family. So thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments about this product or about the installation process, please leave it down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you, just like I do everybody else. I think I may have already said this already, but this product will be linked below. Again, this was sent to me for free just to make an installation review video for you guys, and so I can give my opinion on it. And my opinion is this is definitely worth the money. This is absolutely something I was going to do already in the first place, and this is a very simple one that I would feel comfortable keeping in my truck, as well as putting in my wife's car, like I already said. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.